Hey, let me ask you a question. What if there was a proven method to get fresh leads every day without spending huge sums of money on advertising? And what if this method was guaranteed to work day in and day out to collect exclusive leads just for your law practice? Would you be interested? Well, in this quick expose, you're going to discover my number one source of people who need an attorney today. Now, before I reveal this source, I want to tell you the 3 things your practice can do to generate a dozen new cases each and every month. Because most attorneys and law offices get this completely wrong and miss out on dozens of cases they should have booked. Plus, I'm going to show you what most law firms and attorneys do when marketing themselves online and how their practices are actually pushing would-be cases into the arms of their closest competitors. I'll show you how you can tap into the near limitless audience of people desperate to find an attorney to help them. Listen, when a person gets in trouble or has a need that you can service, they immediately ask a friend for a recommendation and search places like Google, Yahoo, Bing, and even Facebook and other social media to learn about the firms and attorneys in their area who can help them. The information they are seeking is very specific, and they search for unique keywords and phrases that reveal the nature of the problem and how ready they are to take steps to resolve it. If you've ever done any online advertising, you would have noticed that these very same keywords are selling for $50 to $100 a piece. That's because these people are ready to buy clients who have an urgent need and want to get help fast. Plus, all those referral services do a good job at inflating the cost of these leads while they sell the lead to multiple attorneys and firms while making huge sums of money and leaving you to fight for the scraps and compete for a couple of tired old leads. By leaving your lead generation to third parties, you are throwing money out the window, hoping the referral service, advertisements, and pure dumb luck are all giving you good leads that are a perfect match for your practice. The truth is, you don't really need these referral services. While they can get you new cases, they are doing something you can do yourself. So why are you paying a premium for their pleasure? Listen, it is well within your reach to do your own lead generation, and it's what you need to be doing to capture exclusive leads and not pay out of the nose for them. Listen, here are my 3 methods for creating your own lead generation. Number 1. You need to upgrade your website to include your areas of expertise, your profile, your history, and include lead capture right on the homepage so that visitors can see at a glance that you're the attorney for the job and can immediately contact you. You only have a few seconds to capture their attention, so if your site is not on par, the lead will simply close the page and go somewhere else for help. Number 2, you need a mobile presence because the people who are seeking help will hire you only after they've looked you up, and chances are they are looking you up on a smartphone or tablet device. In fact, over 50% of web searches done with any buyer intent are done using a mobile device. If you don't have a mobile-friendly presence, then you are basically cutting your online audience in half and sending leads, once again, to your competitors who have mobile-friendly websites. And number 3, you need to establish an education presence on social media that informs potential clients about your practice areas and educates them on the common misconceptions, concerns, and questions they have for your discipline. This serves 2 purposes. First, it establishes you as an expert in their mind, and second, it provides valuable knowledge up front, something that they will hold in high regard as they now have increased confidence in your abilities. All of these points serve to welcome clients into your arms and not drive them into the arms of competing attorneys. These strategies and tactics are the source for collecting unlimited leads and doing it without spending hundreds, even thousands of dollars on lead generation. Okay, so that was a lot of info, and maybe you're wondering where you can go from here. Truth is, you really only have 3 choices. Choice 1. You could take the information I've given you in this expose and try to go at it alone. And who knows, maybe if you took some careful notes, you could pull it off and start getting leads from your website that probably hasn't been updated in a while, doesn't contain a mobile version, and lacks any real lead capture systems. Or choice 2, you could do nothing, which we both know will not generate any new leads for you, nor will it update your website, and quite possibly hurt you as clients pay other attorneys to help them. Or choice 3, the smart choice. You can work with me to get the leads you deserve, to set up a system that sends you leads regularly without huge overhead, and a system that can be repeated day in and day out, which grows your practice. The right choice is clear. Fill out the short form below, and I'll give you all the details so you could start getting new cases and finally grow your practice using the internet as an untapped source of nearly limitless leads. Just imagine not worrying about business development and the high costs involved, having the confidence to know that your lead generation is handled, delivering fresh online leads from real people with real problems or needs that you can help with. You now have the secret to getting fresh online leads, a secret that escapes most attorneys. Listen, I can only offer my solutions to a handful of attorneys in your area, so don't wait to get started, okay? I've only sent this video to you for now, but if I don't hear from you soon, I'll have to pass this opportunity on to another attorney in your area. So look below this video. Take action, and I look forward to hearing about all the new cases you will be working on.